Most people think saving $10,000 requires a six-figure salary, a second job, or some kind of financial miracle. It does not! In this video, I break down the exact step-by-step system. I used to save $10,000 in just 12 months on a completely normal income. No extreme sacrifices. No, get-rich-quick tricks. Just a simple, repeatable plan that anyone can follow starting today. If you've ever told yourself you will start saving when you earn more money, this video is going to change the way you think about your finances forever. Have you ever felt like you're working hard? Your paycheck comes in, you pay your bills, live your life, and then poof, it's all gone. And the idea of saving a serious amount of money, like $10,000, feels completely impossible. Trust me, I've been there. For years. I told myself I just didn't earn enough to save, but what if I told you I saved $10,000 in just 12 months on a totally normal salary, and you can too? The truth is, most people never save serious money because they re-stuck in a cycle of thinking. Saving is about restriction and sacrifice. It feels like a chore, something you'll do later when you earn more. But the real game changer for me wasn't a huge raise. It was a simple mindset shift. I stopped seeing saving as punishment and started seeing it as buying my future freedom. Every dollar I put away wasn't a dollar I couldn't spend. It was a dollar invested in my future self. That shift made everything click. So, how did I do it? Let's get into the exact steps. Step 1 was setting up a super simple budget system that made saving automatic. I call it the pay yourself first method on steroids. The day my paycheck hit, before I paid a single bill or bought a coffee, a set amount was automatically transferred to a separate savings account. This wasn't just whatever's left over. It was a non-negotiable first expense. This simple action flips the script and ensures you prioritize your savings. Step 2 was a ruthless but necessary look at my spending. I immediately cut 3 major expenses that were quietly draining my bank account. First, daily lunches and coffees. I know, it sounds cliche, but adding it up was shocking. I started meal prepping and brewing coffee at home, saving hundreds a month. Second, I canceled all the subscriptions I barely used. Streaming services, apps, monthly boxers, they add up fast. I picked one I truly loved and cut the rest. Third, and this was a big one, I stopped impulse shopping online. I implemented a 48-hour rule. If I wanted something, I had to wait 2 days. Most of the time, the urge just disappeared. Now, for step 3, where did I put every dollar I saved? This is crucial. Your standard savings account is probably working against you. With inflation, the money sitting there is actually losing value over time. So, I didn't just dump my savings into my regular bank's savings account. I opened a high-yield savings account online. These accounts offer much better interest rates, so my money was actually growing while it sat there. It wasn't just a piggy bank. It was an investment vehicle that was working for me 24/7, seeing that interest add up. Even just a few dollars at first was incredibly motivating. The moment everything really changed was about 3 months in. I looked at my high-yield savings account and saw a 4-figure number for the first time in my life that was UNT tied to a bill. It was my money, my freedom fund. That's when saving stopped being a chore and started to feel like a powerful habit. I was building real momentum. So, how can you start this weekend? It's simple. First, sit down and identify your 3 biggest expense categories. For many, it's food, subscriptions, and random miscellaneous spending. Be honest with yourself. Next, open a high-yield savings account. There are many reputable online banks, and it only takes a few minutes. Finally, set up that automatic transfer. Decide on a realistic amount. Even $50 a week is over $2,500 a year, and automate it for the day after you get paid. These are the exact tools and accounts I used to hit $10,000 in 12 months. It wasn't magic. It was a clear system, a small mindset shift, and the power of consistency. You don't need to be a financial genius. You just need to start. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more practical tips on building the life you want.